Here, you'll be asked to choose your sync direction. You can sync from WooCommerce to Shopify, from Shopify to WooCommerce, or keep it bidirectional, so changes on either side update both stores. I will go with the bidirectional sync option for this demo. Now pick how often you want syncing to happen. You can go for an on-save sync, which happens immediately when you save the settings, or choose hourly, daily, weekly, or even set your own custom sync range. I will set my sync frequency to on-save. Just a heads up, if you're scheduling syncs, make sure WordPress cron is enabled. There's a guide linked in the description if you need to check that. Next, choose what types of data you want to sync. You'll see 3 tabs: Products, Orders, and Customers. Click on the power icon on any tab to start configuring. These toggles let you control exactly what happens during the sync, like whether new products get added, existing ones updated, or removed if they no longer exist on the source store. As you can see, there is no update option for orders. This is due to some restrictions in Shopify that limit order editing. For this tutorial, I'm going to enable the sync to create products, orders, and customers on both stores. Before we start the sync, let me quickly show you what I currently have on both stores. On my WooCommerce store, here are the products I've added. And you can see the orders here, and the customers on my store here. Now, if we switch over to my Shopify store, you'll notice I have a completely different set of products. And right now, there are no orders and no customers in this store. So once we run the sync, the goal is to have the same set of products on both platforms. The orders from WooCommerce will also be synced to Shopify, and the same goes for the customers, too. Let's go ahead and see that in action. Set your preferences. Then click Save Configuration. A progress message will show up while syncing. And once everything's done, you'll see a success message. That's it. Your data will be synced within a couple of minutes. Let's verify if the data sync between our WooCommerce and Shopify stores was executed successfully. On our WooCommerce store, we've successfully synced the product catalog from Shopify. Since there were no existing orders or customers in Shopify at the time of transfer, those sections remain unchanged on WooCommerce. Now let's switch over to our Shopify store and check how the sync worked. As you can see, all the products from our WooCommerce store have been successfully synced here. We can also find the orders that were placed in WooCommerce. They've been transferred to Shopify without issues. And if we head over to the Customers tab, we'll see that those records have come through as well. If you're curious about how Shopify and WooCommerce fields match up, check the mapping section in the Shopify to WooCommerce integration plugin. It shows you exactly how things like product names, prices, and descriptions are automatically mapped between the two platforms. And finally, there's the Audit Log. This keeps track of everything the plugin does, what was synced, when, and whether it was successful. If anything goes wrong, you can easily go back and see what happened. That's it. You've now configured and synced your Shopify and WooCommerce stores. Super simple, right? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like or leave a comment. We're always here if you need help.